When you're searching for a new home, there's nothing quite like the feeling of buying something brand new. But when you purchase a newly constructed condo or townhouse, there are certain upgrades that you may want to consider. It can be daunting to budget for these upgrades, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Today, I'll be discussing how to budget for new construction upgrades. Hi, my name is Camille Haynes, and I'm a local real estate agent who specializes in helping home sellers and home buyers like you of condos and townhomes in Union County, New Jersey. And in today's video, I will be deep diving into budgeting for your new construction upgrades. As a prospective home buyer of a new construction condo or townhouse, you'll likely be presented with the option to upgrade your unit. It's important to keep in mind that even though these upgrades may seem like they are free or included in the purchase price, they can add up quickly and end up costing you more than you expected. Before you make any decisions, it's important to understand how much you can afford and create a budget for these upgrades. Let's break down the process of budgeting for new construction upgrades. Research the builder and community amenities. When looking at potential properties, make sure that you research the builder and the community amenities that come standard with your purchase. Many times, builders will have model homes open where you can get an idea of what is offered as a standard feature and what is offered available as an upgrade. You can also get an idea of the builder's reputation by looking at customer reviews and talking with other buyers in similar communities. If possible, ask if you can speak directly with other buyers who have purchased a unit similar to what you are considering so that they can provide feedback on their experience and any additional costs they encountered after closing. It is important to understand what types of upgrades may be available in your particular community or unit type before making a decision about which property to buy. Ask your real estate agent or builder representative if any upgrades are included in the sales price or whether they need to be purchased separately from the home itself. Some upgrades may include flooring options, additional cabinet and countertops, upgraded appliances, upgraded lighting fixtures, upgraded plumbing fixtures, and more. Take time to research each upgrade option so that you know exactly what is available and how much each one will cost before committing to any purchases. This will help ensure that you stay within your budget while getting all of the features that you desire in your new home. Once all of your research has been done and you will know exactly which kind of upgrades are available, it's time to set a budget for those items before making any decisions about purchasing them. Be sure not to overestimate how much money you have available for upgrades. Instead, focus on finding ways to maximize your budget by prioritizing certain items over others based on their importance and cost effectiveness for your specific needs. Additionally, don't forget about hidden costs such as installation fees or warranties associated with some items. These could add up quickly, so be sure not to overlook them when setting your budget. Finally, remember if that something goes over budget during construction, it could delay completion of your project, so always plan ahead. When it comes down to it, purchasing a newly constructed condo or townhouse offers many advantages, but requires careful consideration when it comes time to upgrade certain features within the home itself. By setting aside some extra funds ahead of time and taking the time prior to making any decisions will help ensure that you stay within your budget while still achieving all of the features desired in your dream home. Keep these tips in mind when planning out how much money you should be allocating towards your new construction upgrades. Once again, my name is Camille Haynes, and I'm here to help you navigate the process of buying or selling your condo or townhouse. Have a good day.